In a crucial verdict, Rajiv Gandhi's assassin's death penalty has been commuted to life imprisonment by the Supreme Court. Now, the death penalty was commuted on grounds of inordinate delay in deciding their mercy plea, with the apex court saying that the pleas of convicts fell on deaf ears.
And the courts have therefore rejected this argument that the prisoner should be required to prove specific harm. In this regard, this is a landmark judgment. It is a step forward in death penalty jurisprudence, not only in India but all over the world.
Has court also made any comment for the release of these three convicts?
The court has said that they have commuted the death sentence to life. In law, life means life, subject to remissions granted by the government under Article 161 and Section 433 of the CRPC. It's now in the hand of the state government to decide whether and when these particular prisoners will be released.
And D.R. Karthikeyan, the man who probed the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case, has spoken to Times Now, saying that the verdict will set a precedent to avoid delays in mercy pleas.
I have not seen the details of the order, judgment, but my immediate reaction is the decision of the highest court in the land in the matter is fair, just, logical, reasonable and rational. That's my view, because they were justly convicted for the dastardly murder of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, and as per the existing law they were justly sentenced to death. Whether the death sentence should be there or not, it's a bigger question for the nation to decide. But at that time, and even today, for such grievous offences, gruesome, death is the maximum penalty. But the question is whether after this is something, an offence that took place on 21st May 1991. Today, after 23 years later, and that too after the mercy petition was handed over about 12 years back, whether they should be sentenced or not, whether that sentence deserve to be commuted to life or not. My stand has been that it amounts to double punishment. They have gone through this agony of any day they may be sentenced to death. It is not, doesn't make their offence any way less grievous. It is the most gruesome, most grievous, grave offence they have committed. But even then, every day they have been thinking they may be executed. The mental agony they have gone through, and the families also gone through. And if you to execute them now will amount to double punishment.
Now, the verdict comes as a huge relief for families of convicts. The mother of one of the convicts, Peravelam, says that she will now appeal to the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha to ensure that her son is released.
I'm joined now by Perarivalan's mother, Arpudammal, who has been fighting for her son Perarivalan for the past 23 years. Amma, நீங்க 23 ஆண்டுகளாக நீங்க இந்த போராட்டம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. இன்னைக்கு சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட் சொன்ன முடிவுல உங்களோட கருத்து என்ன?
ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சியா இருக்கு. தண்டனை குறைப்பு வழங்குனதே நான் 23 ஆண்டா இயங்கிக்கிட்டு இருந்த ஒரு நிகழ்வு தான். ஆனா இப்ப சமீபத்துல தியாகராஜனோட வாக்குமூலம் வெளியான பின்னாடி என் மகனுக்கு இந்த கொலையே தெரியாது அப்படின்றது வெளிப்பட்ட பின்னாடி அவன் விடுதலை ஆவான்னு தான் நான் நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல, ஏன்னா 2011 இவங்க உயிரை காப்பாற்றி கொடுத்தவங்க நம்ம முதல்வர் அம்மா ஜெயலலிதா அவங்க. இவங்க கையில இப்ப அந்த ஃபைல் வந்திருக்கு தண்டனை குறைப்பு நடந்த உடனே. அதனால கூடிய விரைவில் இவங்க என் மகனை விடுதலை செய்வாங்க அப்படின்ற நம்பிக்கையே நான் இருக்கேன்.
The immediate reaction is we are very happy about the commutation, and we thank the Chief Justice Sadasivan, and moreover we are perplexed what to say, what not to say, and definitely we'll bring back the case to Tamil Nadu government, and we'll consider things what is happening in Tamil Nadu government, and we'll be proceeding with our Chief Minister Jayalalitha, and we thank her a lot for this.
Now, there are more political reactions coming in. A short while ago, in a statement, DMK Chief M. Karunanidhi says the centre and the state should release Rajiv Gandhi's assassins.
When they were condemned to death after so many years of inordinate delay, when the mercy petitions were pending with the central government, when in the month of August 2011, the death sentence was to be executed and a date was fixed. And in the High Court of Madras, Mr. Ram Jethmalani came there, he placed his arguments, a stay was given. Then the Congress party and moved a petition to transfer the case to Supreme Court for nearly 2.5 years. This has been with the Supreme Court. Mr. Ram Jethmalani took all pains to place his arguments. Now today the historic judgment has come out. Not only that, in their judgment their lordships have observed that invoking Article 432 CRPC, the state government could release them from the prison gates.